Your search for a 4-bedroom, fully renovated end unit townhome in Surrey Central ends right here. I'm in one of Greater Vancouver's fastest growing communities, Surrey Central. We're 2 blocks from the SkyTrain and also close to the SFU campus. I'm Elliot Chen at the Partners. Let me show you around. Surrey Central is the heartbeat of Surrey's downtown core, and it's just 35 to 40 minutes to downtown Vancouver thanks to direct access to the Expo Line SkyTrain. Welcome inside Unit 99. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms are upstairs. You've also got 3 bathrooms, 2 with its own towel warmers as well. All fully renovated with permits, and you've got this gorgeous outdoor space to enjoy year-round, given the fact it's also covered.
Time is now to go where we want to. Follow the road until it leads us somewhere new. Nothing can stop us now. We're together. Oh, the whole world opens up when I'm with you. And you, I find a love that sets me free.